I'm just to the area now where the church was, and there is like a forklift truck with a platform on it there, and it looks like they are heading up to the roof. So I think they are probably just surveying the damage there. But look at the mess there still is around the area there. So the tree now has been completely removed off the church. They cut it all down and it's gone. And it looks like they've cleared the site out there as well. And there's trucks and everything here. And we've got Baskerville's demolition, so they must be doing some work there as well. I don't think I'm going to go up to the park, but I have had good information on good ground that the park is still completely closed. And we've got no update to when that will reopen. So that's amazing, really. 5 weeks last night now since we had the tornado, and the park is still shut. Up now as far as I'm going to go. I'm going to turn around, cross the road, and walk back past all this devastated area where the tornado actually hit. So here we are. We'll walk now back past this area of devastation. Looks beautiful, doesn't it, with all the snow on it like that, and all the trees you can see down there. They're covered in snow. So, like I said the other week, there's just so much firewood here. If people could get at it, you could keep your fires going for a long time. But like I say, I'm glad I've come have a look at this today with all the snow on it. Last week, if you remember, it was absolutely covered in frost. This week, covered in snow. And like I say, they've cut the big tree down. I bet that took a bit of cutting down, you know. Because if you remember off me video I made last week, it was massive. Just have a walk up here and into this wooded area a little bit, and have a look at some of these trees and some of these branches here. Fantastic. Can do this today with the ground being so frozen. Look at this. This is just remarkable. Look at the size of that big trunk there. Just down and just lying there. This one just completely uprooted, but it's been cut, and people have had loads of wood off it. Like I said earlier on, it just looks so different here now with how open it is here. And doesn't it look amazing with the beautiful blue sky? Let's just zoom in there, and you can see where all the trees have just been absolutely ripped apart. What a wonderful view we've got, but it's devastating that we've got to look at this, really. Let's just have a look at that trunk there before we start heading on, and we'll walk back towards the church and just take a look there at how it is close up on this side of the road. Look at all the wood and timber we've got there. And again, another great big thick log lying on the road. I don't know what they're actually doing at the church there, but they're taking like great big pieces of concrete off it. But don't it look different now with all the tree gone from the side of it? So it's taken 5 weeks, that has, to get to this stage. Got loads and loads of twigs and branches, and look at the size of that tree there. There's loads and loads of logs there, and that's another great big tree that's just uprooted and fell over. So, like I say, they've got this platform up here, and it looks like they are taking all the dangerous bits of the church down, so nothing can really fall on anybody. And just making it safe, I'd say, really. Look at the state of the roof. Look at the damage. It's done. And I was right. They are pulling the bricks, all the loose bricks, down and just throwing them to the ground. I don't know how long it'll be before the work starts, but they've actually cleared all the churchyard out there as well. So they are doing a good job. So like I say, he's just lifting his legs up off the machine there. I think he's going probably move forward a little bit and get them closer in. I have asked if it's all right for me to video them, and they did say it's okay. So pretty unique footage here.
One, you're right. One.
So they're going to take a bit more off the footage there, and the driver's just done amazing there as he's backed it up, and you can see all the rubbish dropping off there. So they're knocking all the top of the building down there. You can see all the rubbish that's fell to the ground there. He's just pulling the guttering off, and he has just told me he is trying to make it safe. But what I am going to say to you now, I just spoke to the owner of the building. It was supposed to, 3 days after the tornado had hit it, supposed to have been sold. So that sale has now fell through, and the owner has just told me he's got no storm damage cover on the property. So his insurance broker had given him no cover for any storm damage. So he says he is going to have it repaired, but obviously he's got to repair and pay for the repairs himself. But he says he is definitely going to get that done. He will either have to sue the people, the insurance company, insurance broker, or to the council because it was their tree that actually fell on the building. So what a sad story for the owner of this church. He can't now sell it until he's done it up, whether that same buyer will want it when it's been done, or whether he'll have to look for another buyer. I really don't know, but I do feel really sorry for him. And they're just now taking all the loose tiles off the roof there and throwing them to the ground. They cleared all the yards up, so all the branches out of the yard have all gone. So yeah, real sad story there about the church in the corner that was hit by a tree where all the tornado tore everything apart 5 weeks ago yesterday. That time has soon gone. So we'll have to see what it's like in another 5 weeks. But like I say, beautiful church, beautiful building, and such a shame it's happened to it.